What would be great is if you could actually get sexy curls and waves without the heat damage.
Greta is getting Spoolies original heatless hair curlers. They promise to create classic curls without any heat.
Your curlers of some kind. Easy as 1, 2, 3. This is a spoolie. It's very soft and flexible. I love this design of having no pins or clips. Definitely much more healthy on the hair. First, place the small end of the curler firmly against the head. Second, wind strand of hair smoothly around the spool. Third, fold the top of the curler over hair to securely hold. And this should give you a soft, casual curl. This is really easy, really easy. I love the flexibility of this curler. I love that it's not pulling my hair. There's no discomfort whatsoever, so those are all checks. But we really don't know if it works until we're done.
So this is what I recall, maybe it's because I was, you know, kind of an 80s kid, but this is what we call that bedhead look, yeah?
Yes, that's exactly it. Waves to curls to volume. That's literally what it's about.
So the spoolies, I mean, it looks like you really enjoyed applying them, but my first question is, why don't you just, like, this is what my mom would call a pin curl. You roll it around your finger and then use a bobby pin.
Yeah, well, the first thing is they're fast and easy, which is why I like these. No skill required. And
did a bobby pin require a lot of skill?
Some people really can't put them in, but honestly, Rach, bobby pins, clips from traditional rollers, and heat all damage the hair. So can you do a pin curl? I can do a pin curl and you can, but for a lot of people with fine, fragile hair, that will, over time, damage the hair. Pins, clips, and ponytail holders do. So I love that these don't have any of that. And you were able to put them in, I was able to put them in so easy.
That's my next question is, easy is one thing, time is another thing.
Yes.
I don't have time. Like, that looked like it was time consuming.
I know, when I came into her room, I was all done up, and she's like, what's that?
I'm like, are you getting Mars on that?
No, it went in really quick, and that's what I want to show you guys. So this is the base. You put this in, and you literally fold this down. It locks it into place.
Right, but you got to do that to your whole hair.
Yeah, but here's the thing. There's only 12 in there. So for me, because I didn't want curls, I only used the 12. If you want super tight curls, then you need to book more time and another set of these. You'd need to do 24. Like, if your hair is super fine and you just want the bend that I have and the volume, that's all you need.
Bottom line, you own salons.
Yes.
You like these.
Yes, I'm a hairdresser, and I like them. I thought they were really quick and easy to use.
Great.